Lateral consonant. Lateral consonant is another type of oral consonants. Now, lateral is the opposite of central. When something moves to the sides, it is called lateral. In Arabic, we call it janibi. Now, a lateral consonant is a consonant that is produced when the center of the tongue is placed against the alveolar ridge, allowing airstream to escape along the sides of the tongue. Now, the air leaves the mouth through the sides of the tongue, not from the center of the mouth. Now, there is only one lateral sound in English, which is leh. The leh sound is the only lateral sound in English. Now, la occurs initially, like lend, land, or finally, like doll, like fill, like feel, and intervocalically or between vowels, like, for example, filling, feeling. The lateral leh consonant is phonemically described as voiced, alveolar, lateral. Leh is called voiced because when it is produced, the vocal cords are vibrating. Leh is alveolar because the tip of the tongue is placed on the middle of the alveolar ridge. Leh is called lateral because it is produced when the airstream leaves along the sides of the tongue and then out of the mouth. Leh is always voiced except when it is preceded by peh as in play or keh as in claim. In this case, leh becomes voiceless, or at least the first half of leh becomes voiceless. How is lateral leh produced? Or what are the speech organs that are involved in the production of lateral leh? Number one, the soft palate is raised, allowing air to escape through the mouth and not the nose, and that's why we call it an oral sound. Two, the tip and sides of the blade of the tongue are against the alveolar ridge. They are in firm contact with the alveolar ridge, thereby closing the center of the mouth. Number three, the airstream escapes through the sides of the tongue and out of the mouth. You can see figure 23 for the articulation of leh. There are two types of lateral leh. The first type is called dark leh or heavy leh, and the second type is called clear leh or light leh. Dark leh occurs at the end of words, for example, dull, kill, sell, mole, field, and before consonants like milk, built, salt, bills. So it is pronounced heavily. It is dark in these examples. Number two, clear leh occurs at the beginning of words and before vowels. For example, lend, lamb, love, loss, and let. Now remember that dark leh and clear leh are allophones of the same phoneme. They do not change the meaning of the word. Leh can also be syllabic, just like m and n. It occupies the center of a syllable. Remember that syllabic leh is usually voiceless and dark. For example, and remember that both pronunciation here are acceptable, are correct. We can say couple or couple, apple, apple, puzzle, puzzle, triple, triple, camel, camel, channel, channel. And also remember that there is a dot, a diacritic below the le sound.